Question number 3. Some plastic balls of radius 1 centimeter. See this. This is plastic ball and radius of this plastic ball radius r. Plastic ball is 1 centimeter were melted and cast into a tube. See this. This is tube, cylindrical tube. Cast into a tube. The thickness, length. See this. Thickness, length, and outer radius. See this. Here I will show you this way. Now this thickness 2 centimeter, and the length, thickness then length is nothing but height, that is nothing but height, 90 centimeter, and outer radius. See this outer radius, I will write here capital R, outer radius, that is given 30 centimeter. Okay, then we want this inner radius. We write here capital R1 because they are small r, here capital R, and this is small r. See this, suppose here O, then here A, and here suppose B, then OB is the outer radius, and this is R1. See this, R1 inner radius, that is capital R minus thickness, therefore capital R, what is 30 minus thickness 2, therefore R1 is equal to 28 centimeter, means inner radius. This is inner radius. Did you get it? Now we will find, what is the question? How many balls were melted to make the tube? How many balls were melted to make the tube, means this tube. Now see this carefully. Therefore we write here number of balls, plastic balls or balls required, number of balls required or number of balls required is equal to, see this carefully, number of balls required. Now the volume of plastic, required to tube upon volume of a plastic ball. Okay, therefore see this carefully, number of balls required is equal to volume of, total volume of tube. See this, volume of tube minus volume of hollow part or inner part. volume of hollow part of the test tube. Did you get it? Now this is hollow. This way, see this. This. Now this is made from plastic, no? This is made from plastic. So this is outer part. Outer part, this is total with thickness. With thickness. With thickness. That is made with plastic. And inner part is hollow, means there is nothing. There is no plastic. There is no plastic. So we want only plastic. We want only plastic. So I have written the volume of plastic required to make tube. Did you get it? Therefore, volume of tube total means volume of this total with hollow part. Did you get it? So we subtract this hollow part. That is also cylindrical upon what is volume of a ball. Volume of a ball, that is 4/3 pi r cube. Okay. Therefore, see this carefully. Therefore, here volume of tube pi capital R square and h. Here we write, okay, small h, no problem, minus hollow part pi R1 square h, R1 square h upon here 4 pi small letter r cube. Here we take pi h common. Then what is left? R square minus R1 square upon here 4/3. Okay, here 4/3 pi r cube. Pi cancelled. Now we put values. See this, h 90 bracket r square capital R 30 square minus 28 square R1 upon this 3 we take at numerator. Denominator no, here we take to numerator 4 into 1 into 1 into 1 cube. Did you get it? Therefore, see this, 9 3s and 0. Okay. Now we know square of 30. What is square of 28? Don't know. 784. 784 na? What is? See here, 28 into 28. 8 is a 64. 64. 8 to the 16. 16 and this. 2 it is a 2 to the right. Okay. Therefore, see this carefully. Therefore, here we divide 3 also, na re? 3. Everything is written here. Okay. Therefore, 270 into subtraction 6, no, 6 carry 1 means 10 minus 9, 1, then carry 1 upon 4. Therefore, 4 to the 8, 11 minus 8, 3, 3, 6, 36, 9. Okay. Therefore, product of these two, 0. Okay. See this, 29 into 27. Three, 8, 7. Therefore, number of balls required is 7, 8, 3. Means number of balls required to make this plastic tube are 7,830. Therefore, number of balls required are 7,830. Therefore, finally write here. Therefore, 7,830 balls were melted to make plastic tube. See this, question number 6. The diameter and thickness of a hollow metal sphere. See this, hollow metal sphere. This is hollow metal sphere. Okay. Now, in this hollow metal sphere, the diameter and thickness. See this. Diameter, I will write here O, here A for your convenience. Now, see this. This AC is the diameter, okay, and AB, this is thickness, or when we write here CD, then this is also thickness. Thickness, diameter and thickness of a hollow metal sphere. Diameter, I will write here capital D is equal to, okay, is equal to capital R, 12. So we write here 12 is equal to 2 into capital R. Therefore, R is equal to 12 upon 2. Therefore, capital R is equal to 6 centimeter. Okay. Now, and thickness 0.01 meter. Now this thickness we convert into centimeter, because this diameter is given in centimeter. So we multiply to this by 100 centimeter. Therefore, thickness is equal to 1 centimeter. See this carefully. Thickness in centimeter, 1 centimeter. This is outer radius. This capital R is outer radius. Okay. Then we want this inner radius, small r, OB. Did you get it? We want, this is OA or OC. Then we want OB or OD. Did you get it? Inner means hollow part. Hollow part. Okay. Therefore, radius of hollow sphere, that is small letter r. This small r, this is equal to capital R minus capital R means OA minus AB. OA minus AB means OB. Therefore, capital R, what is 6 minus 1 is equal to 5 centimeter. Now we have given another part, that is density of metal. Density of metal is given 8.88 gram per centimeter cube, or means division. Did you get it? This is about sphere. This is about sphere. Then first question, what is find outer surface area? Our first part, outer surface area. Outer surface area of a sphere. Outer surface area of sphere. Outer surface area of sphere, what is formula? 4 pi capital R, capital R square is equal to 4 into what is value of pi? Value of pi is 3.40 and R, what is capital R? 6 centimeter means 6 square. Okay, therefore series 12.56, 4 into 3.40 into 36 is equal to 36 6 216, 36 5 180, 180 and 21 means 201. 36 2 72, 92, 36 1 36 and 45. 2 decimal places, 1 2. Okay, centimeter square. This is outer surface area of sphere. Then second, what is mass of the sphere? Means mass of metal. Mass of metal sphere. Series carefully. Mass means we want only metal, volume of metal into density. Volume of metal required. Series. Volume of metal required to make sphere into density of metal. This is direct formula to find mass of given anything, given article, is equal to volume of metal required to make sphere. Therefore, series volume of outer sphere minus volume of hollow sphere into density 8.88 88 gram per centimeter cube. Okay. Now volume of outer sphere, volume sphere, no, 4/3 pi capital R cube, outer radius, no, minus, say this carefully, 4/3 pi, here small letter R bracket cube, into, now volume in centimeter cube here, because everything is in centimeter. I will show you afterwards. 8.88 gram per centimeter cube. Now here 4/3 pi, 4/3 pi. We will take 7 1s are 7. Okay. Pi, na? We write here. Now 4/3 pi common. Then what is left here? R cube minus this capital and small letter into 8.88 gram per centimeter cube. Now here value of pi 3.40 into 3.40. Okay. Now here capital R 6, capital R 6 cube minus 5 cube into 8.88 gram per centimeter cube. Now here 3 2s are 6, 8 minus 6, 2, 2 8 28, 3 9s are 27 and 3 6s are. Okay. Therefore 12.56 into 6 cube minus 5 cube into 2.96. Here this is in centimeter cube, no? So we write here total centimeter cube, and this gram per centimeter cube. So this is cancelled. Did you get it? Then product of these two and this, okay, that will take more time. So I will write afterwards directly. See here, 91. 6 minus 5, 1. 1 means here 11 minus 2, 9. Carry 1, 1 1 2 and 2 cancel into 2.96 gram is equal to our total answer multiplication. After multiplication, see this, 6 into 6, 36. Did you get it? When we do product of these three, then I will show you how to write answer. Okay. What is 12.56 into 91 means 1142.96 into 2.96 means our answer is 3383.16 gram. Did you get it? Therefore the mass of metal sphere is 3383.1616 gram. Question number 8. The radius of metallic sphere series. Radius of this metallic sphere. I will write here capital R. Metallic sphere is 9 centimeter. Okay. It was melted to make a wire of diameter. Wire. To make a wire of diameter. This diameter, that is small d, is equal to 2 into radius. It was melted to make a wire of diameter 4 mm. This is 4 millimeter is equal to 2r. Therefore, r is equal to 4 mm upon 2 is equal to 2 mm. Okay, therefore, we want in centimeter. We want in centimeter. So, series 1 centimeter means 10 mm means 2 upon 10 is equal to 0.2 centimeter. This is the radius of this tube, or what is wire? Sorry, wire. Did you get it? This is wire made from metallic sphere. Now find the length of the wire. Length of the wire means length of the wire is nothing but height. Nothing but height. Did you get it? Length is nothing but height. Then we will find out the length of this metallic wire which is made from this metallic sphere. Did you get it? Therefore, series carefully. Now here, this metallic sphere that is melted. When we melt anything, then we find volume of that article. Therefore, volume of metallic sphere. Volume of metallic sphere is equal to volume of metallic wire. Okay, metallic wire means that is cylindrical. Did you get it? Therefore, volume of metallic sphere 4 upon 3. 4 upon 3. This is capital R. Pi R cube. Did you get it? Volume of metallic wire cylindrical. So pi R square and H. Did you get it? Now here pi cancelled. Okay. Then we put values. Series 4 upon 3 into R 9 into 9 into 9 R cube, no? Here R square 0.2 into 0.2 R square, no? And we want to find length, that is nothing but height. Did you get it? H, that is length. You write this way also. 3 3s are Therefore, see this carefully or keep as it is, no problem at all. 4 into, see this, 9 into 9, 81. 81 threes, 81 threes. See this, 3 ones are 3 and 3 eights are. Okay, and we take these two terms here, 0.2 into 0.2. Now this volume is in centimeter cube volume, and this is, see this, r square means centimeter square is equal to h in bracket L, means that is length. Okay, now here centimeter square and cube cancel. Now here two decimal places, so we write this way, 24300. Here two decimal places, na? We put 20 here upon 2 into 2, 4. Did you get it? This is our length in centimeter. But we want, you can write this answer also, no problem. H is equal to 24300 means 24,300 centimeter. But we will convert in meter. Therefore, when we convert this in meter, then we divide to this by 100. Meter is equal to h, length. Okay, therefore height nothing but length is 243 meter. Question number 9. The area of a sector of a circle. Sector of a circle. This is our circle. Now we want sector. This is our sector. Suppose O dash AXB, and here we take major sector. Okay, the radius 6 centimeter and area of this sector 15 pi square centimeter. I will write here centimeter square. Find the measure of the arc, means theta. Okay, first, and length of the arc. Length of this arc. Length, that is small letter L. I will write here. Okay, find these two, theta and L. Did you get it? We will find it. See this carefully. Now first we will find theta, that is central angle, or we say measure of an arc. Okay, see this. First, we know area of sector. Area of this sector O dash AXB. Area of sector O dash AXB. We write this way, or write area of sector is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square. Now we know area of sector, what is 15 pi centimeter square is equal to theta upon 360 into pi into r square means 6 into 6, 6 square, pi cancelled. Therefore, see this, 6 6 6 10. Therefore, theta is equal to 15 into 10 is equal to 150 degree. Means measure of an arc. Measure of an arc of a circle. Did you get it? Theta is equal to 150 degree. Second, what is? Then find the length of the arc. Length of the arc. See this. Same area of sector A dash AXB is equal to length of an arc into radius upon 2. Therefore, 15 pi. See this? No, length L we don't know into radius 6 upon 2. See this here, square centimeter or centimeter square, and this is centimeter. 2 3s are. Therefore, length is equal to 15 pi centimeter square, and this 3 comes here, centimeter. No, 3 pi's are. Therefore, L is equal to 5 pi centimeter is the length of an arc. Question number 10. In the figure 7.47, segment AB is a chord of a circle with center P. If PA, this is radius, is equal to 8 centimeter and distance of chord AB from the center P is this center, this is perpendicular distance PC is also given, that is 4 centimeter. Find the area of the shaded portion, this shaded portion. Now here first see this center of the circle P, when we draw perpendicular drawn from center of the circle to the chord, bisects the chord. Did you get it? Therefore, see this here, in right angled triangle PAC or PCA or APC or ACP, right? Any name of given triangle. In right angle triangle PAC by Pythagoras theorem. See this. What is Pythagoras theorem? AC square plus PC square is equal to PA square. Now we substitute values. we don't know AC. So we write AC square as it is. PC, what is PC? 4 square, and PA is equal to 8 square. Therefore, AC square plus 16 is equal to 64. Therefore, AC square is equal to 64 minus 16 is equal to 48. Therefore, taking square roots of both sides, we take square roots of both sides. Square root of AC square, square and square root cancelled. Now this 48 we split into two numbers, and one should be, means out of those two numbers one should be a perfect square. 16 into 3 means 48 is equal to 4 square root of 3. Here centimeter. Okay, did you get it? Means this AC 4 square root of 3, then here also 4 square root of 3. Did you get it? Therefore, AB is equal to 2 into AC. Therefore, 2 into 4 square root of 3 is equal to 8 square root of 3 centimeter. This is our AB. Now, when we find area of any given sector, then we want central angle theta. So first we will find out central angle theta. Okay, now see this. In triangle, see this. In right angled triangle PAC. See this. We want this angle plus this angle, means total APB. Okay, so first we will find out this angle, means APC. Okay, therefore side opposite to angle APC is square root of 3 upon 2 times its hypotenuse. See this. 4 square root of 3 side, this side, see this side opposite to angle APC is square root of 3 upon 2 times its hypotenuse. What is our hypotenuse? 8. See this, square root of 3 upon 2 into 8. Square root of 3 upon 2 into 8. 2 4 ja 8. Means 4 into square root of 3 means 4 square root of 3. Did you get it? Therefore, angle APC means measure of angle APC is 60 degree. Did you get it? Therefore, see here 4 square root of 3, here 4, here 8. Same way here also. This is radius. So this is also 8 centimeter. Then here also 8, 4 and 4 square root of 3. So this angle also 60 degree. Therefore we write angle BPC is equal to 60 degree. Did you get it? Therefore theta, this is total, theta means angle APB. Did you get it? Means we write here angle APB. This APB made from angle APC plus angle BPC. Therefore theta is equal to, now don't write this, APC 60 degree plus 60 degree is equal to 120 degree. Did you get it? Now with the help of theta, then AB and everything that is from that figure, we find area of shaded portion. See this? Therefore area of shaded portion is equal to, area of shaded portion is equal to area of sector. Area of sector, which sector? See this, P dash AB, P dash AB, because here no any letter, so directly write P dash AB. Okay, minus area of triangle PAB, PAB. Did you get it? This is our sector. Then subtract this triangle, then we get area of shaded portion. Did you get it? Therefore see this, area of shaded portion is equal to area of sector theta upon 360 pi r square minus area of triangle PAB. Here theta bigger than 90 degree, then use this formula 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 into base. What is base? Base into height. What is height? PC. Base into height when theta is bigger than 90 degree. Otherwise we use here 1 upon 2 r square sin theta. Now what is value of theta? 120 degree upon 360. Value of pi is given 3.14 into radius. What is 8 into 8. This is area of sector minus 1 upon 2 into 8. What is AB? 8 square root of 3 into height 4. 2 2s are. Okay. Now here, now we write here, see this, 64 into this, na, 3.14 into 64 upon 3 minus See this. 8 into 2, 16. 8 into 2, 16. And square root of 3, value is given 1.73. Therefore, area of shaded portion is equal to product of these 2 upon 3. Product of this 2 upon 3, that is 66.98, and minus product of this 2, that is 27.68. Therefore, area of shaded portion 8 minus 8, 0, 9 minus 6, 3, then 16 minus 7, 9, carry 1, 6 minus 3, 3. This is centimeter square, means area of shaded portion is equal to 39.30 centimeter square. Question number 11. In the figure 7.48, square ABCD is a square, means all sides are congruent, is inscribed in the sector A-PCQ. The radius of sector C-C, see this, C-BXD is 20 centimeter. Radius means here R, or this is radius R. Did you get it? Here we write R is equal to 20 centimeter. This is also 20 centimeter. Now complete the following activity to find the area of shaded region. Now we have given here solution. See this solution. We start here. What is side of square ABCD? Side of square ABCD is equal to radius of sector C-BXD is equal to, see this, C-BXD, radius is 20 centimeter. This is your first answer. Did you get it? Now we have given, therefore, area of square ABCD. Area of square ABCD, here only given area of square. Area of square ABCD is equal to formula side square. Okay, side square. What is side? 20 centimeter bracket square. Therefore 400 centimeter square. Did you get it? This is area of square. This is our equation number 1. Okay, next, area of shaded region inside the square. ABCD is a square. Now in this square, here shaded region. We will find out the area of shaded region inside the square. See this? Therefore, area of shaded region inside the square, here is equal to, we have given formula, what is, or we write is equal to here, area of square ABCD. See this, area of square ABCD minus area of sector C dash BXD. Okay, see this, minus area of sector C dash BXD. Did you get it? Therefore, we put values. What is your area of square ABCD? Area of square ABCD, what is 400 centimeter square minus area of sector, what is theta upon 360 pi r square. Now theta, this angle, right angle, so theta is 90 degree. Therefore, see this here, 400 means area of shaded region is equal to, we write here is equal to, okay, is equal to 400 minus, we put values 90 upon 360 into value of pi, that is given 3.14 into series pi r square. Here r square here directly given, what is 400, because radius 20 square directly here given. Okay, therefore area of shaded region inside the square is equal to 400 minus here directly given 314. See here, 90 4 okay, 4 1 and these two zeros. 100 into 3.14, here two decimal places. So when we eliminate these two decimal places, 2 or 3 or 4, then we write denominator. See here, two decimal places. Eliminate these decimal places, then we write 314 upon 100. Two decimal places, so denominator 100. 100 cancel, then what is left? 314 is equal to 86 centimeter square. This is the area of shaded region inside the square, means this part. Did you get it? Then we have given next part. See this here, radius of bigger sector, radius of this bigger sector A dash PCQ is the diagonal of this square ABC. diagonal of the square ABCD. Did you get it? That is the radius of this bigger sector here given is equal to, I will write here, is equal to length of diagonal of square ABCD. Then directly you have given answer 20 square root of 2. This is in centimeter. Did you get it? Therefore, we will find out area of shaded region outside the square. This is square. ABCD is a square. Outside shaded portion is this. Did you get it? This part and this part. So first we will find out area of shaded region outside the square. Area of shaded region outside the square is equal to here given formula area of sector means that bigger one A dash PCQ A dash PCQ bigger sector minus area of square ABCD. When we subtract this square ABCD from this bigger sector, then we obtain area of shaded region outside the square. Did you get it? Now we put values. Here first formula theta upon 360. Now here this is also given small r, but here we want actually capital R. So I will write here capital R. Did you get it? Because there are small letter r, no? For that smaller sector C dash BXD. Did you get it? So we write here capital R. Pi R square minus area of square. What is 400 centimeter square. Series area of square ABCD. Therefore, here 90 upon 360 into pi is 3.14 and this capital R 20 square root of 2 bracket square minus 400 centimeter square. Therefore, area of shaded region outside the square is equal to 90 forza. Okay. Therefore, 3.14 upon 4 into 20 square 400 and square root of 2 means 2 into 2 minus 400. Therefore, area of shaded region outside the square is equal to series 2 to the 2 to the. Therefore 200 into 3.14 means 628. 314 to the 628. Two decimal places, denominator 100. These two zeros and zeros of 100 cancel. Minus 400 is equal to 228 centimeter square. Means area of shaded region outside the square means this. Did you get it? Therefore, final answer. Therefore, total area of the shaded region is equal to, here directly given. What is? See this. Area of shaded region. Area of shaded region outside the square. Outside the square. What is? 86 centimeter square plus area of shaded region outside the square, that is 228 total. Therefore total answer 314 centimeter square or square centimeter. Question number 12. In the figure, two circles with center O and P are touching internally, means inside, at point E. If BQ, this BQ is equal to 9, D is equal to 5. Complete the following activity to find the radii of the circles. Means find OA, means OB, means OD, means OC, then OP, OQ, OE, sorry, PQPA. This way. Now we will find out. We have given, let the radius of the bigger circle B, capital R, means OA, OB, OC, OD is equal to capital R, and smaller circle B, small r. Okay, so we write here, we have given OA, don't write this, OA is equal to OB. See this, OA is equal to OB is equal to OC is equal to OD is equal to capital R, and for smaller circle, see this, PQ and PA. PQ is equal to PA is equal to small r. Did you get it? Now we have given OQ. OQ is equal to, series OQ is equal to, here given OB minus BQ. See this, OQ, OQ is equal to OB minus this BQ. Now, what is our OB? OB is equal to capital R minus BQ. What is? What is? 9. This is very, very important. Then OE. OE is equal to OD minus D is equal to, what is OD? Capital R, and this is minus 5. D is 5, so minus 5. Did you get it? Now, see this. AQ and EF of a smaller circle intersect each other inside the circle. So we have given here series as the chords QA series, QA and EF of the circle with center P intersect internally in the interior or internally in the interior of the circle. So by the property of internal division of two chords of a circle. Now see this. QA and EF intersect each other internally. Then we use our property. Which is that property? Series OQ into OA is equal to series OQ into OA. Same way OE into OF. OE into OF. This is our property. Now we put values. See OQ. What is value of OQ? OQ is equal to R minus 9 into OA. OA is the radius of bigger circle is equal to OE. Value of OE R minus 5 into OF. Where is OF? OF is, what is this OF? OF, na? Yes, OF. R minus 5. See this. OE and OF both are same. Both are equal. See this. Here. Because this D, see this, D 5. Then here also 5. This is OD or OC are the radii of the circle. Which center O? That is radii of bigger circle. Did you get it? Therefore, we write here R into R square. R into this minus 9 means minus 9 R is equal to R minus 5 into R minus 5 means A minus B into A minus B means A square minus 2AB plus B square. R square minus 10R plus 25. R square cancel. We take, these are like terms, no? So we take this to the left side. Minus becomes plus. Therefore, capital R is equal to 25. Means radius of bigger circle is equal to 25. Now, we have got radius of bigger circle, then we want radius of smaller circle, that is small letter r. Now for this, see here, AQ we have given here, AQ is equal to 2r. AQ is equal to 2r, that is diameter of this smaller circle. AQ is equal to 2r is equal to, see this, AQ, AB minus BQ. AB, see there, AB diameter of bigger circle minus BQ 9. Okay, therefore see this, 2r is equal to AB diameter of bigger circle, radius of bigger circle is 25, diameter 25 into 2 means 50. Here we have given directly minus BQ, what is 9. Therefore 2r is equal to 50 minus 9 means what is 41. Therefore r is equal to 41 upon 2. Therefore 20.5, r is equal to 20.5. This is in units, we write units. Did you get it?